Alright guys, so here we go. We're gonna go on a plane. So it's Colorado, so here we go. Say bye to the house.
Crashing, hit a wall. Right now, I need a miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle.
Okay, we're here, the airport.
What's your battery at?
I don't know.
I say your name, but you're not around. I need ya, I need ya, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down.
I want my suitcase over here.
Here we go, guys. Ari?
I want my suitcase over here.
No, you can't.
No, Will. I can put something up here.
Yeah.
Going to Denver?
No, I want my suitcase over here.
I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down.
We're going on the drone. Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, I think I'm losing my mind now. Yeah. I need you right now.
What's your name? It's not real.
Look at that.
Alright guys, so we're driving up to the cabin, to the place.
I knew
Are you? Dude, this is amazing. Look, there's the tree house. Here's the actual house. So hard climbing up because of the.
I bet you can jump off of this tree.
Yeah. So nice. Dude, it's pouring rain right now. Yes. And this is for YouTube. Y'all my YouTubers out there. Dude, flash flood. It's gonna come. Oh my gosh.
what does flash flood mean?
When just randomly a bunch of water comes from a hill. Ari, that's awesome.
Heard it.
Come on out.
Come on.
Oh yeah! Oh, there it goes again! Dude, someone's shooting a gun! Come on! This is raw material! Hey guys, day 2, it's in the morning after it rained. Super nice actually. And we're in the tree fort. Treehouse. Whoa! So, here we go.
Be careful, but I guess that you don't know me. Cause if I want you, and I want you, babe, and going backwards won't ask for space. This place was just a word made up by someone who's afraid to get too close. Oh, sorry.
We're going to change our plans actually. We're doing the hike first. We're going on a hike. Apparently there's a bunch of moose, so we're going to try to look for some. Probably not going to find any, but might as well try.
Want you close. Oh, want you close, stay close enough, no.
Oh man, I am not really known for ever being speechless.
somehow.
Dude, look at that.
Can we go over there?
Oh man, I am like you, so I won't proof on what you're feeling. Cause if I want you, then I want you, babe. Ain't going backwards, don't ask for space. Cause space is just a word made up by someone who's afraid to get too close. Oh, 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 so close. Oh, want you close. Oh, yeah. Cause space was just a word made up by someone who's afraid to get close.
Oh my gosh. What is that? What is that? Oh my, that's a... Alex? Dude, we just found it. Oh my goodness.
Or at least stay here with us.
Oh my god. That's huge. Picture. There it is. Oh my. Take it, dude. Dude, oh, look, there's one. Oh, dude. What are you doing over here? Oh my, dude, that's so cute. Okay, maybe we should like that.
Close enough, no. Yeah, baby. Tell me, baby, what you want. Oh, I want you close and close and close enough, no.
Wow, we found snow. Alright guys, let's go on the snow. Yeah. Like 4 years ago. Whoa. Oh my. Dude, is it? Oh, it's so cold. Ari. Oh, I keep slipping. Oh god. There I go. Dude, that was sick. Look at my feet. Look at me. I know, it's really slippery. Probably so much pee. Oh, dude, I keep slipping. Did you see me slip? I caught it on video. Oh my. Oh my gosh. There I go again. We are in Colorado and it's snowing on the Rocky Mountain Bighorn Sheep. Yeah, look, we just played. Oh, hi. And we just went all the way. Yeah. Went right over there. Yeah. Oh, he's so cool. Alright, well, hope you guys are liking the video.
Do I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways?
Oh my gosh, look at this huge moose.
He's trying to get in.
I found it. See it? Oh!
Oh jeez. Oh jeez.
Oh my gosh! He's trying to cross the road. Oh my gosh! That's the bull moose! You're kidding me! Oh, look at this! Oh.
Okay, guys,
Oh, so
let's stay out.
okay, yeah, let's go stay out. Okay, well, I'll see you guys later. Hey, look at this dude. Look at his hail. Dude, look at his trunk. Oh, dude, look. Jacob, it's a ball. Oh, now it's coming down. Hey, my goodness. Dude, it's like getting my eyes. Oh! All right, see you guys. Oh my gosh, look at those chunks of this hail. See ya. Colorado's the best, but California's still good. But Colorado, so here we go.
And all your carry-on items are
So,
completely underneath.
bye, Denver.
Are you leaving the area around you? Be clear.
Going to California. Thanks guys
Lighten that
for
does
watching.
include the use of electronic cigarettes. The use of electronic cigarettes is strictly prohibited, along with tampering with, disabling, destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft laboratory.
So, yeah.
Also, federal aviation
Thanks for
regulations
watching and
require
have a good
passenger
day.
compliance with lighted passenger information
This is us
signs,
going to go
posted
on.
placards, and remember